inside the Hoover Dam. Super cool.
Okay, here we go. So, for diversion tunnels, 4 diversion tunnels, 2 each within the walls of the canyon, 2 diversion tunnels on the Nevada side, 2 on the Arizona.
Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam, the turbines. They're working on one right here. Said that's rare. They usually don't have to work on these, replacing it. Exploring the Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam. This is the Lake Mead side right here. The water's way down, but it's a little bit higher than it was. Hoover Dam, Lake Mead side. I don't know if there's any fish right here. I'm like casting a pole down here. Here's the Colorado River model. All the way from Colorado to Mexico. Here's where I am right here.
Senegal, Washington.
It takes an hour now, smiling. I like it.